Fractal Design Pop XL Silent Review. For around $100, Fractal Design's Pop XL Silent PC case offers a useful range of features, ample room for components, and quiet operation with air cooling. Fractal Design's Pop XL Silent includes 4 fans, capabilities for 3 fans on the front panel, and dual fans on the top radiators, sound insulation, as well as 1 tempered glass door that efficiently restricts sound. Also, by no means is it considered a low-cost PC chassis. Its 8 extended slots on an indented slot portion combined with nearly 24 pounds of product to fortify its frame are adequate reasons for that. Consequently, due to its collection of features and pocket-friendly cost structure, it has become a fantastic worth and has been named a new Editor's Choice selection among budget PC towers. Although a computer case is basically just a container for desktop components, it can still add up to a large expense. Pop XL Silent cases typically cost more to produce due to the volume of components included. Additionally, well-ventilated cases come with extra fan expenses, and quieter cases require additional materials to lessen sound vibrations. This specific case provides those features as well as the option of a tempered glass or damped steel panel on the left side. Evidently, compared to the already tested Pop Air, the Pop XL Silent has a bigger frame that comes with 8 extension slots and additional room at the rear on top of the I/O panel. Usually utilized for seemingly boring activities such as attaching a port breakout plate. Die-hard users can also install a 2-slot card at the base of the motherboard with that extra space. The 70mm gap over the motherboard offers plenty of clearance to accommodate an unusually thick 38mm radiator and 2 25mm fans on top of that. When 120mm fans are installed atop this case, it allows for a 45mm footprint of space away from the motherboard, giving people who want to stack radiators there enough leeway regarding dim height and other factors for their needs. At the bottom of the Pop XL Silent, there is a power supply dust filter that slides out from the back as you pull on a tab sticking out 0.5 inches from the rear panel. With screws added in, the case extends to 20.6 inches in depth even if its panels are only 20 inches wide all around. On the front, you'll find a magnetically attached cover panel hiding 2 5.25 inches external bays and half filled with a hardware storage tray. To use any other deeper storage tray, you'll need to remove an internal 3.5 inches drive tray in either the upper or lower position. Once you pry away the face panel that is detachable, you'll see a first bitumen material damping sheet covered with cloth. Another material is attached on the inside of the right side panel on our case, and if someone selects to utilize a steel panel for the left side of the case, they will receive 1 sheet there as well. In general, these sheets serve to decrease the resonant frequency of a panel beneath the human hearing level. Within, the front houses 3 interior fans drawing in the air, with adequate space between the expansion slots and fans that support cards up to 430mm in length. There is also an indented area located toward the start of the motherboard tray with a measured depth of 11.8 inches. Although Fractal Design claims that this model has a maximum motherboard depth of 280mm, they still label it an extended ATX simply because it holds any ATX-based consumer motherboard ranging from 9.6 to 13 inches deep. Unfortunately, those buyers expecting eATX won't find their desired product here. Fractal Design's Pop XL Silent may not be completely noiseless, but its din levels exceed most of its unaltered counterparts. Its heatsink capabilities are not the best, yet still remains within a few degrees of its coolest opponents. The Pop XL does not accommodate all EX motherboards, though its 11-inch plus mounting depth is adequate for most top-tier customer boards that require an EX housing. Lastly, it isn't affordable, but at less than $100 it is budget-friendly enough to make it a great option among hushed cases.